Pulled into a motel, vacancy sign glowing blue. One more night to borrow, one more town to pass on through. Keys hit the countertop, room number 23. Oh, radio still waiting, like it remembered me. Turn the dial, turn the dial slowly. Static filled the air. Every station somehow sounded like you were there. One played old apologies, one played younger dreams, one played every promise we forgot to keep. Every station's calling, every song knows my name. Motel radio, playing ghosts tonight. Steel guitar crying on the buzzing neon lights. Saxophone keeps praying through the static slow. Every broken memory still finds somewhere to go. Motel radio. Don't lose my favorite song. My favorite song. Channel after channel, different voices spoke. Somebody laughing, somebody losing hope. Weather said clear skies, outside rain kept falling. Funny how the truth never needs announcing. The old night clerk smile when I walk back downstairs. You hear it too? Hear what? The radio only plays memories. He walked away like he'd already said enough. Some songs never ended, they just change stations. Motel radio, playing ghosts tonight. Steel guitar crying on the buzzing neon lights. Saxophone keeps praying through the static slow. Every broken memory still finds somewhere to go. Motel radio. Play one more before I leave. Before I leave. You're still listening? Yeah. What are you waiting to hear? The version. Everything turned out alright. Motel radio, still humming through the night. Every fading signal led me toward the light. Banjo keeps rolling like a worn-out heartbeat notes. Some songs never leave us, they just fade into the static until we need them again. Don't